India is indeed one of the few countries that was fortunate to have great souls, who were born in this country, in this land, and they have also contributed to a lot to the Indian society as well as to the humanity in whole. And Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Bharat Ratna, is one such a great soul who was born and who was living amongst us in this country, which makes us to really, kind of be proud about the fact that he was here in this own country, he was born and he served and he has contributed enormously to the Indian society. Particularly, that today we are enjoying the fruits of freedom. So, the fruits of freedom, many countries got freedom, but later, they went into a lot of problems. That history, if we look at the history of the world countries, we know that once the freedom is given, the freedom has to be put to use properly. And for that, you need a good framework, you need good leaders to show us the way. And that regard, Bharat Ratna Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the architect of Indian Constitution. Not only that, he has also given economic insight into how the country should develop. So, based on his constitutional framework and economic guidance, the country, I should say, has progressed and stabilized. There are many countries which became unstable. They became, there were dictators or military people took on it. But India is one such a country. Today, the world looks upon us. World looks at India for the guidance, whether it is for vaccine, or we have supplied vaccine proudly to more than 100 countries, without expecting any return. So, we are not giving vaccine as a loan or to capture that country or to make a debt trap. We have given everything free of cost, particularly to the least developed countries, without expecting anything. All this is possible because of persons like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who have contributed to the stability and overall growth of the country. No section should be left behind. That was his guiding principle, which is yielding fruits to our society, our country, and to the economy. So, with this, I request all of us to once again, on this occasion of the Remembrance Day of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, to rededicate ourselves to the nation, and so that his soul will rest in peace and will bless us for our future endeavors. Thank you.